Hello guys, what a nice day again here in England, United Kingdom. Today, magsimba mi. We will go to church sa Hillsong, Guildford, and we wanna see you the glimpse of our Sunday. So, let's go. Excited na kayong bata naman. Nag-una-una na. Mahadlok mabiyahan sa bus. Let's go. It's a sunny day in autumn again. What a beautiful day. Beautiful day. Let's go. So right now, paabot na mi sa bus. 9:15 pa. Sino kayong adlaw? So clean. Look at the hair of daddy. So nice. So, paabot na namig bus, guys. Let's go. So guys, sana may diri karon sa G-Live. And wait lang. Wait na mi sa opening times. Kasi si Mami mag-volunteer sa Asher, sa host team. Ako mag-take care ka Ara, okay? Kasi Ara man to sa kids team. So, dali sa mi. Let's go. It's autumn time. Muni ang kuan cargo sa Hillsong dahil mga sound system morning dira ginabutang ito lang ginabutang ang mga gamit nila. Pasulod na mi. Okay, mag-ask ka ng permission. Kurang sila. Ito kami.
Gani, pinaka-mabiglo pa sa kumain.
So, nag-early me guys kay volunteer si Mami for the hosting. Yara ako'y magbantay Kara para sa kids. Wait lang sa Ara sa lounge. Nak, matagat ka. Kwa. Okay. Wala pa may kuan. Time. Registration sa kids. Para si Mami. Nag-volunteer si Mami sa host team. Preparing na siya. Si Ara. Nag-wait sa registration sa kids. Are you excited for today? Yeah.
Amazing. Thank you guys. I really appreciate it. It's going to be pretty good Sunday. I can't show myself in this car.
Run through po ang worship team. Nag-run through po. So after a few minutes, prepare na mag-start ng service.
Post-conference Sunday.
Serve na si Mami Nara. Siya sa Asher.
Worship Jesus today. Come on, because we are.
What?
I have a picture.
Picture? Yes. Let me show it to me. Oh, yeah. Hi guys, nasundo na ako si Ara. Tara. Sa Kids Church. So let's go downstairs. Doon na to si Mommy. Hey, yung church na rin na elevator. Oh. Go, let's wait for Mom. Korean barbecue. After church. Yeah. Let us see them their corn dog. Let them see your corn dog. Corn dog. Boom, ba,